Hi everyone, my name's Frank, and I'm the user advocate for Arts Management Systems, and welcome to Creating a Coupon Code. We've broken these videos down into the 3 different steps you'll take when creating a coupon code. So if you want to reference a specific section, open the description below for a timeline of topics. In this particular video, we'll be focusing on promotions. Alright, let's get started. Coupon codes are extremely popular nowadays, and for good reason. From TV to radio, podcasts to YouTube, companies are offering bigger and bigger discounts on your next purchase with coupon code X at checkout. For marketers, we can see in real time the effectiveness of a specific marketing activity, with ROI metrics based on data and not anecdote. Okay, so we know they're a great tool in our marketing toolkit, so let's build one. To get there, we've got 3 steps. First, create the sales promotion. Second, build the sales rule. And finally, design the coupon and pre-access. How about a scenario for context? We've gotten the rights to the hit West End and Broadway touring production of The Play That Goes Wrong. Our Tuesdays are selling okay, but we know cheap nights at the movies is having an effect on sales. Our team gets together and agrees that a $5 discount is the way to go. So we're going to build a coupon code. In this video, we will examine the sales promotion setup to begin building our coupon code. Let's dig in. First, let's go to Setup, System Tables, and Sales Promotions. The window will be empty, but by hitting the magnifying glass, we can populate the screen with all our active promotions. Since we don't have a $5 discount already set up, let's click on the New button. This will bring up the Promotion Detail window. Let's give our promotion a name of $5 discount. Quick tip, if you hit the Tab button after you're done with the sales promotion name, it will autofill in the external description below. In our venue, we have a 3-tiered house with premium, standard, and economy seats. We want to make sure that no matter where people choose to sit in the theater, they can still apply the $5 discount. So we're going to leave the Exclude Price Codes field blank. There are many other features available in the setup of a promotion. However, for the purpose of this video, we're going to focus on those required only for our coupon setup. There are 2 other tabs to pay attention to at this point, the Calculation and Edits tab. The Calculation tab is where we create the financial savings for the customer. In our case, we want to reduce the value of the ticket by $5. So I go over to the discount field and input $5. The other fields are pretty self-explanatory, so I'm going to move on to the Edits tab. The Edits tab has some cool features, like adding sold between dates, setting maximum uses for redemption, etc. But for our Tuesday night $5 coupon, we're going to leave the defaults where they are. You'll notice I'm not checking the sales control option for via the internet. Our sales rule will be handling that part of making the coupon code work online. So for us, we're going to leave it unchecked. Our sales promotion is now basically ready. So let's click Save. With our sales promotion complete, the next step is to build our sales rule and finally create our coupon code. In the next video, we'll take a closer look at how we design a sales rule. And that's it for part 1. We hope you enjoyed this quick start video. From all of us here at Artsman, thanks for watching.